Abdul Razak. My metric number is S70612. In this video, I will show how I completed my individual assignment by building a database and solving all the queries using Microsoft Access.
Firstly, create a file using Microsoft Access, then create 4 tables for customer, inventory, sales, and sales inventory. For the first table is customer. For first data type, we choose number for customer ID. Next, short text for customer name. Next, short text for city. Next, short text for state. And the last one is currency for credit limit. The second table is for inventory. For the first one is item ID. The data type is number. Second one is short text for description. And third one is currency for standard cost. Next, currency for list price. And lastly, number for quantity on hand. The next table is for sales. For the first data type is number for invoice. Second one is date and time for sales date. Third one is short text for salesperson. Next number is for customer ID. And the last one is currency for description amount. For the last table is sales inventory. For the first description, the data type is number for invoice. The second is also number for item ID, and the third one is number for quantity, and the last one is currency for sales price. Now I'm going to key in the data for customer. For the first line, customer ID is 1000, customer name is Smith, city is Phoenix, state is AZ, credit limit is 2500. So this is how I key in the rest of the data. Now I'm going to key in data for inventory. For the first line, item ID is 1010, description is blender, standard cost is 14 ringgit, list price is 29 ringgit and 95 cents, quantity on hand is 200. So this is the rest of the data that I key in. So now I'm going to key in data for the sales. For invoice is 101, sales date is 10/3/2018. So sale person is Wilson, customer ID is 1000, amount is 1549.90 cents. So this is the rest of the data that I key in for sales. Last one, I'm going to key in data for sales inventory. For the first line, invoice is 101, item ID is 125, quantity just one, sale price is 699.95. So this is all the data that I key in for sales inventory. Next, I'm going to answer all the queries, but before that, I create a relationship. For query A, the table is inventory. For the field is item ID, description, quantity on hand. So for criteria on quantity on hand is more than and equal 100, click run. So this is the answer for the query A. For query B, the table involved is sales inventory. For the field is invoice, item ID, quantity, sale price. And the criteria for invoice is 103. And then click run. So this is the answer for the query B. For query C, the table involved is customer and sales. The field is customer ID in customer, customer name is in customer, salesperson in sales. And then we sum up, and the criteria for this salesperson is Martinez, and then run. So this is the answer for the query C. For query D, the table involved is customer and sales. The field is invoice in sales, sales date in sales, salesperson in sales, customer name is in customer, amount in sales. The sort in amount is descending. The criteria in amount is more than 1,500. And then run. So this is the answer for query D. Next, query E, the table involved is sales inventory and inventory. The field is invoice in sales inventory, item ID in sales inventory, description in inventory, sale price in sales inventory, list price in inventory, quantity in sales inventory. The next field, we type extension and then type the formula that already gave in the question. Then for the criteria in sales price, type less than, more than list price and then run. So this is the answer for the query E. For query F, the table involved is sales, sales inventory and inventory. The field is invoice in sales inventory, sales date in sales, item ID in sales inventory, sale price in sales inventory, quantity in sales inventory, and then click bill, type the formula profit margin. So after we click OK, sort in profit margin, we change to descending and then click run. So this is the answer for query E. Next, for query G, the table involved is sales, sales inventory and inventory. The field is invoice in sales inventory, sales date in sales, item ID in sales inventory, sales price in sales inventory, quantity in sales inventory. The last field, we click bill and then we put a formula for profit. After we click OK, sort in profit we set to descending and sort in invoice we set to ascending and then click run. So this is the answer for query G. For query G, the table involved is sales. The field is sales date and then click zoom, type number of sales, sales date and then click OK. The next field is also zoom and then type month, sales, sales date and then click OK. Then click sum to total up, untick the show in month and then run. So this is the answer for query H. For query I, the table involved is customer. The field is date and state. click sum to total up, change the group by to count. Criteria for the first state is AZ, and then click run. This is the answer for query I. For query J, the table involved is customer. The field is state and customer name. Click sum to total up, and then change customer name to count. Set the sort in state to ascending, and then click run. So this is the answer for query J. For query K, the table involved is sales. So the field is salesperson and amount. Click total up. For the amount, change to sum, and then sort to descending, and then run. So this is the answer for query K. For query I, the table involved is inventory and sales inventory. For the field, item ID in inventory, description in inventory, and then click zoom. So type the formula for total sold. And then click OK. So after we click OK, click total up, and then for the total sold is expression, and sort in total sold is ascending. So click run, and then this is the answer for query L.